Good morning, children. It's time for your EVS class. Children, today in EVS, we will be starting with our next chapter, that is Lesson 4, Our Earth. So let's get started. Children, on which planet do we live? We live on planet Earth. And how does our Earth looks like? It looks like a ball and it is round in shape. And children, do you know that the model of Earth is called the globe? Can you see the second picture? What is this called? This is a globe. It is a model of the Earth. Model of the Earth means it looks like how our Earth is. Yes, children, so this is the model of our Earth. How our Earth looks like? Same way, this is the model of our Earth. And what is the model of our Earth called? Globe. What it is called? Globe. Clear, children? Children, our Earth has three things. And what are they? Number 1, air. Number 2, water. And number 3, land. So our Earth is made up of air, water and land. So let's discuss this one by one. Children, can you see this picture of the Earth? It has how many colors? 2 colors. One is blue color and one is green color. Blue color is for water and green color is for land. Yes, so wherever there is blue color means there is water. Yes, and wherever there is green color means that is all land. So children, which is the color that is most in this picture? Yes, it is blue color. Yes, blue color is the most in this picture. Yes, and green color is somewhere. Yes, little. So, and do you know that our Earth is called a blue planet? Why? Because most part of our Earth is covered with water. Yes, children, that's why our Earth is called a blue planet. So if anybody will ask you what is the blue planet, so what answer you will give? The blue planet is our Earth. Yes, children? And do you know that 2/3 of our Earth is covered by water and only 1/3 is covered by land? 2/3 means our Earth is divided into 3 parts. Okay, children? So out of those 3 parts, 2 parts is water. Okay? 2 parts is water and only 1 part is land. So that's why our Earth is called blue planet. Why? Because there is lot of water on our Earth. Clear, children? Next thing is air. Children, air is all around us. Yes, children? Air is everywhere. Yes? Can we breathe without air? No, we will die. That's why air is all around us. We cannot remain alive without air. Okay, children? So that is why air is everywhere. It is all around us. And children, can you see air? No, we cannot see air. But we can feel it. Yes, children, we can feel air. Now, for example, if you want to feel air, now bring your hands in front of your mouth and just blow. Blow on your hand. What you will notice? You will feel the air. Yes, children. And for example, you have a balloon. Yes, if you burst that balloon in front of your face, what will happen? All the air will come out. Yes, so we cannot see the air, but we can feel it. Yes, children, what we cannot see but we can feel, it is air. And children, The blanket of air around the earth is called atmosphere. What is atmosphere? It is the air around the earth. Blanket of air around the earth. Blanket of air means there is air on all the sides of our earth, and that is called atmosphere. Okay, so what do we call it? Atmosphere. So what is atmosphere? Air around the earth. Okay, what is that? That is called as atmosphere. How we will pronounce it? Atmosphere. Again children, atmosphere. Okay, atmosphere. Now children, next part we are going to study is water bodies. Now children, water bodies means on the earth the water is present in the form of rivers. Yes children, now can you see this picture? This is the picture of a river. Yes, there are so many rivers on earth. So this is a water body. Water body means wherever water is present on the earth. In which forms? In wherever they are present. They are present in rivers. Then water is also present in lakes. Then water is also present in ponds. Then children, next is waterfall and oceans and seas. So children, these are the water bodies. What are these called as? Water bodies. So how many water bodies are there? There are 5 water bodies. Number 1 is rivers, lakes, ponds, waterfall and oceans and seas. So children, these were the water bodies. Water bodies means where all water is present on the earth. Where all water is present? Water is present in rivers, in lakes, in ponds, in waterfalls, in oceans and seas. So children, I hope you understood the lesson and you are going to read lesson 4 our earth page number 168 and 169 2 times. Clear children? How many times you are going to read it? 2 times. So children, take care and bye bye.